The menstrual cycle. It's a fundamental aspect of a woman's reproductive years. This natural process involves a series of hormonal fluctuations that orchestrate changes in the ovaries and uterus. Think of it as a monthly symphony, with each phase playing a crucial role. We generally divide the menstrual cycle into two main phases, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. The follicular phase begins on the first day of your period and ends with ovulation. The luteal phase follows ovulation and lasts until the start of your next period. During each cycle, your body prepares for a potential pregnancy. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the cycle starts anew. This intricate dance of hormones ensures the possibility of new life. Understanding the different phases of the menstrual cycle is key. It empowers women to track their cycles. It helps them understand their fertility. Knowledge is power. The menstrual cycle isn't just about the reproductive organs. It's a beautiful example of how the brain and body work together. The hypothalamus, a tiny region in the brain, acts as the conductor of this orchestra. The hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, or GnRH. This hormone sends a signal to the pituitary gland, another important player in the brain. Think of GnRH as the messenger that kicks off the whole process. In response to GnRH, the pituitary gland releases two key hormones: follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, and luteinizing hormone, or LH. These hormones travel through the bloodstream to the ovaries, where the action truly begins. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland are essential for regulating the menstrual cycle. They are the master communicators that ensure everything happens at the right time. The follicular phase marks the beginning of the menstrual cycle. It's a time of growth and preparation in the ovaries. Remember FSH, the hormone released by the pituitary gland. FSH stimulates the growth of follicles within the ovaries. Each follicle contains an immature egg. As the follicles grow, they start producing estrogen. Estrogen is a key hormone that plays multiple roles throughout the cycle. One of estrogen's main jobs during the follicular phase is to thicken the lining of the uterus. This creates a nourishing environment for a potential fertilized egg to implant. Estrogen also helps to regulate the cervical mucus, making it more sperm-friendly. As estrogen levels rise, they send feedback to the brain, telling the hypothalamus and pituitary gland to slow down FSH production. This ensures that only one follicle becomes dominant and releases an egg. Ovulation is the star of the show. It's the moment when a mature egg is released from the ovary, ready to be fertilized. But what triggers this dramatic event? Remember LH, the other hormone released by the pituitary gland. As the follicular phase progresses and estrogen levels rise, they trigger a surge in LH. This LH surge is the signal for ovulation. The LH surge causes the dominant follicle to rupture, releasing the mature egg into the fallopian tube. This is the time when a woman is most fertile. The LH surge is a crucial event in the menstrual cycle. It marks the transition from the follicular phase to the luteal phase. The journey of the egg continues as it awaits fertilization.